Hello, welcome back to our channel. Let's say you archive an email like this one. As soon as you click archive, it disappears from your inbox. But don't worry, it's not deleted. Gmail just moves it out of sight to keep your inbox tidy. Now, to find it again, go to the left-hand side menu, scroll down and click on More, then select All Mail. Here you'll see every single email in your account, including the one we just archived. Notice this message no longer has the inbox label next to it. That's how you can tell it's archived. If you want to bring it back, just open the email and click on the Move to Inbox button at the top. Instantly, Gmail puts it right back into your inbox as if it was never archived. You can also do this in bulk. From the All Mail section, check the box next to the email, then click Move to Inbox without even opening it. This is super handy if you have several archived emails to restore at once. And that's it. Archiving helps keep your inbox clean, and unarchiving makes it simple to bring back anything important whenever you need it. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Gmail tips.